Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML text formatting. So quickly, let's get started. Today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about sub element, the sub element. The HTML sub element defines subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. You understand? Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O, like if you want to have this kind of 2 here, and so on and so forth. So quickly, let's get started. Let's see how it looks. So quickly, in our document, we are having this strike through from our former video. Let's delete this. I have the sub element here. So quickly, the sub element is going to be here. Firstly, remove it. I notice one thing here, but I notice one thing in my document here. I'm not sure if anybody noticed it. This red symbol. Let me save my document. After I save the document, I'm still seeing it. Why? Let me save my document again. Can you see? Let's see. Let's write p tag. Wow. Nothing happens. But when I put this, it is showing something. That is, the p tag is having what? It's having something. Something is happening here. So what can you notice here? The thing that is happening is because this p tag is not having the closing tag. That's the benefit. That's one of the powerful benefits of using VS Code. So you will know that your document is having one error quickly. Like when you are driving motor, you want to start your motor. If your car door have not been closed or whatever, you will see the signal from the board. So this is how it goes also with the HTML. So with the VS Code, can you see when I remove it, when I drop it back, you can see how it shows. So quickly, let's talk about the sub element. We enclose it with opening and closing sub element with the subscripted. So let's see how the subscripted looks inside this our p tag, inside this our paragraph. Let's reload our document. Wow, you can see subscripted. See how it looks. Let's write something like H2 or H1 or whatsoever. Let's write like H2O. We want to use the H2O. Let's use it like this, H2O, and we want to use subscript text here. So this place we can do it like this: sub, open, sub, close. So we can just do it like this and save it. Save it and see how it looks. We have in our p tag, we are having opening and closing p tag with H2O. The 2 is having sub, the H and O is not having anything. So quickly, let's see how it looks. Can you see? We have H2O, and we can design it also. We can do like this. Here, style, font family, Algerian. Save it and see how the two looks. Can you see how the two looks? It's looking decent though. So that's That is sub for you. So quickly, let's recap. What we discussed about today is sub element, sub element. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.